Yo guys, what's happening? On our way to the Bronco with Gary. We're gonna be, probably it's gonna be a last ride of this season. Yeah, be very fresh. Gary's have a new bike, not new but very beautiful KTM 250 two-stroke. So we ready to try out that beast. Yeah, see you guys there.
Should know I'm untamed. Young trip with the AK, I'm insane. I'm outside in the all black range. Got the red dot, put a hole in your face. Fuck around, drag your body to the gates. Leave you lost like you running in a maze. I'm really about to lose my cool, I ain't playing. Blood spilling all over the fucking place. Bullshit, you talk a lot. How you gonna be there, bitch? That's a lie. Making all the promises, but you can't decide. Rather be alone in the dark, waiting here to die. Never gonna lose it like I'm losing my life. Trying not to think it like I'm losing my mind. I might holding off all the goodbyes. Do what I gotta do just to get by. Curse with the pain, and we feeling all the
Yo guys, so we're done today. We had a very nice ride with Gary. We was trying out his new baby. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah, see you guys, and yeah.